all doing? Welcome back to my channel, and guess what? This week I'm back with another wedding video. Now in my last video we spoke about how you can DIY your own wedding and also how you can save money on your wedding, as in how you can plan your own budget wedding. I have mentioned the link in the description. You guys can go ahead and check it out. अब शादियों में wedding shopping is the most exciting part. At least it was the case for me. So I think I spent around a whole month on shopping during my wedding. और मैंने अपनी wedding shopping करी थी Bangalore से. I did my wedding shopping in Bangalore. So when I started, I had no clue where to go, what to do, where will I buy my jewelry from, मैं अपने silk sarees कहाँ से लूँगी, where will I get my lehenga. It was quite a task. So that time I really wished कि यार मुझे पता होता. I had a plan. कोई मुझे बताता कि मतलब यहाँ पे जाओ तुम्हें ये सस्ते में मिल जाएगा. Go to this place, go to this shop, you will get this stuff. I literally had to go about places and find it out myself. And I think doing that myself, now I have become a pro. मुझे exactly पता है for wedding shopping which all shops can you go in Bangalore, where to go, where will you get what, in what price, which rack. I know it all. So yes, this video is exactly about that. Let's see the top places in Commercial Street, Bangalore, where you can go wedding shopping. So let's shop. So guys, if you're coming from MG Road or Brigade Road side, then this would be the start of Commercial Street. Now as we go in, on the right hand side we have Mysore Sari Udyog. Okay, so let's cross the road. It's on the first floor. Yes, there it is guys. If you wanna buy silk sarees from Commercial Street, then this is the first place that you really have to visit. So they have a wide collection of sarees and dress materials, and they also have dresses of all price ranges, so you can buy a reasonable saree as well as you can buy a very expensive silk saree here. For silk shopping, you can also go to Sanskriti Silk, which is near the signal, and also Prasiddhi Silk, which is inside the Commercial Street Road. For silk shopping alone, you can also go to Chickpet, Bangalore. I'll make a separate video regarding that. Now, walking into the main Commercial Street, left side we have Soch. I don't recommend Soch. I don't know why it's hyped up so much. On the right side, we have Golden Touch. One thing I really like about this shop is that they always have good collection about what's trending in ethnic wear in market. Right now, as you can see, they have a good collection of shararas, designer suits. They have good fancy sarees. It's on the right hand side rack, and above they have wedding lehengas. There's another ethnic store called Polka on the right hand side. They also have seemingly good collection. Now on the left hand side of Golden Touch, you have World of Women. Let's take a look inside. This is a really big store and you literally get everything in ethnic wear here. Guys, one moment of the shopping. I want to take you to my favorite place in Commercial Street. If you are hungry, you can grab a bite from here. It's the world's best Frankie. Okay, so getting back to business, going forward, on the right hand side we have Mirage. Now what I really like here is that they have very elegant and classy collection in dresses. They also have a range which varies from, the color varies from Dulhania red to also the pastel subtle colors. And I must say they have reasonable rates too. So I loved a wedding lehenga that I checked out here, and it was just 12,000 rupees for the lehenga. Now just opposite Mirage on the first floor you have Ellen. Can you see that? Yeah, let me focus. There it is. So here's an exclusive boutique for Christian bridal gowns. Ready-mades coming from 20,000 and custom made starting from 30,000. If you are just looking for a normal custom made wedding gown, then you can also check out Mannat. There's another store called Fuzzles which are also good, and their wedding collection, they have a wide range of wedding lehengas and sarees. A bit expensive but worth a check out. Moving forward, Aanchal also has a good collection in full-length ethnic gowns and lehengas. Just beside Aanchal, you can check out the Sling shop for designer clutches and bags that will go with your wedding attire. You can also check out studios in Commercial Street for designer clutches and bags, and also there are a lot of other shops which while going only you can take a look. If you ask me my personal favorite for budget ethnic shopping in Commercial Street, it's definitely Show Off. Now this store has an amazing collection, a huge collection of ethnic wear on their first floor at very reasonable rates. Almost their entire collection is out on display, so it becomes very easier for you to check out yourself without any help. Don't miss out on this store guys, do check it out. In many other shops, the kind of dresses you'll find for 10k, 15k, you will get it for 5k, 6k here. In the ground floor, they also have a huge display for wedding gowns and cocktail dresses. Again, at very reasonable rates. This store is a catch, guys. Do check this out. So right next to Show Off is Meena Bazaar. Now just opposite to Show Off, there's McD, McDonald's. As you go inside, downstairs, you can see Nana Boutique. The biggest highlight about this place is definitely their tailoring and designing. I myself got my wedding lehenga stitched from here and the stitching and fit was just perfect. You can also buy cloth from here itself and get it stitched. They also stitched gowns, lehengas, anything can be custom made, just give them the design and I'm sure they will do an amazing job on that. Here's another shop where you can get just cloth meter wise and get it stitched. I really like this boutique on the main road. They have a good collection of designer crop top lehengas and designer blouses. Here's another catchy store in Commercial Street where they make custom gowns. Well, the shop name is Wild Cats and I think they have an amazing collection of gowns, be it an evening party gown, a wedding gown, a bridal gown, cocktail gown, they have it all. You can take the material also from here and also you can customize the gown according to your design from here itself. Jewelry stores are spread out all across Commercial Street, but my favorite is Gulshan Fashion Jewelry. Before going in, I must tell you that it's a bit expensive, but I love the designs and if you're not wearing any gold and if you want one statement piece of set for your lehenga or sari or your wedding wear, I think you will get what you want here. This store has many outlets in many cities, you can check it online also. Now the last shop on my list is Koski. There are 3 Koski showrooms in Commercial Street, 2 on the main road and 1 inside Commercial Street. So they also have good lehenga collection and I love their dress material and salwar suit material collection. Now behind Commercial Street, within the radius of 2 kilometers, there's a shop called as Gulshan Fashion. I would definitely recommend this store as it has all kinds of ethnic wear at really reasonable rates. I've mentioned the store address in the video. There's another store in Basavangudi called Sri Bhavani Kangan Store. This store again is a must check out. You will get artificial jewelry sets, earrings and bangles at very reasonable rates. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any feedback, any comments, if you know other places in Commercial Street that I have not mentioned, I am sorry, but please do mention in the comment section below. If you want me to make any other video related to wedding, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you all. Bye bye. See you.